Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a new 3D drawing. Follow along step by step and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. First, click on the line tool. From one point, draw a rectangle that is 30 vertically down and 45 horizontally. Now we need to draw a circle with a diameter of 30. Let's click on the center and diameter of the circle tool like this. Now we need to draw this from the middle of the vertical line and then we need to find the center point. For this, we need to right-click the mouse with the Shift key. From there, select the midpoint. Now let's draw a circle with a diameter of 30. Now let's select everything and trim the unnecessary things. Now let's draw a circle with a diameter of 20 in this way. Now let's convert the view of the 2D drawing we drew to SE isometrics. When making it 3D, we need to convert the 2D drawing to SE isometrics. Let's click the PRESSPULL command, click the limit we want, and press pull it up 10. Please follow the steps carefully. We will change the DN view to the top view. Then we will draw the 2D drawing we need like this. Now let's move this drawn rectangle 10 vertically up before we press pull it. Select the line like this and use the move command. Click a corner and move it up 10 like this. Now, in this drawn 3D drawing, you can see that there is no hole. For that, we draw it like this and use the subtract function of the solid tool. To create the hole, select the surface, and to remove it, select the part. We can add color to the drawing using layer properties like this.